Trying out the GoPro today in the garage. Walk about, just have a look to see what we've got. We'll see what's getting worked on and what's not getting worked on today. If you know anybody here that's looking for a pile of stone, we've got all the stone here and it's all needs to go. And here I've got Pete working away on the brickwork. We're testing out this GoPro. Make sure you're going online.
You've got to backfill that bit, then you get in the area of that. Right.
Into the main hall. Quite a lot to get done in this hall. All we need to do is get the funding and see if we can raise some more money and get this completed by the end of this year. We can then use the main hall for events, displays, and also the back end of the mezzanine above us. We're looking at putting up the war memorial against the back wall where the ladder is at the moment. A lot of work to get done. We would also like to raise enough money so we can get the roof back to what it was originally in 1912, with the skylights and the slated roof and not this concrete asbestos roof that's currently on it at the moment. Here we see some of the murals that we have on the gates and the doors. Our next aim is to maybe get some solar panels onto this roof space. It's ideal south facing and will certainly help us with the electricity bill.